Hey everybody, here's room 7510 on the Ovation of the Seas on deck 7 on the right side of the ship all the way forward. Walking in, you've got your temperature control on the right hand side there. You've also got your master light switch that needs a key card to activate the lights. You've got your full-size mirror to check your fit before you go out on the town or out on the ship for the day. Just a quick view of the room. Here's a standard cruise ship bathroom on a balcony room. You've got the curved glass doors for the shower. Basic storage above and below the sink. We're going to move on to the storage on the right side of the bed here. 2 poles for hangers. You can ask for more hangers from the front. The 1 plug that's on the side of the bed there with the light switch. Above bed storage that we didn't know was there on our last cruise. The king size bed, your flat screen TV. Moving on through here. You've got the storage on the left side of the bed here, which has some hangers and some cubbies, and the small safe that was big enough for passports and wallets and keys. And more above the bed storage, which is super nice to have, especially on these 7-day sailings where you have to take so much stuff. And again, on the left side of the bed, no plug, just the phone, and a couple of cubbies holes below the phone here. 2 drawers below the cabinet storage. Also got your couch, your vanity mirror, your seat to do. This is where I edited some, and my daughter had to do some of her college work while we were gone. You've got the 2 USB ports, 2 US ports. You actually get a kettle in these rooms where you can ask for more instant coffee. You've got your cooler down there. More drawer storage. And this is your obstructed view balcony on this part of the ship. We did a lot of research and found that we thought we'd like this room because of the encasement enclosure here. It seemed to keep out a lot of the wind when we were out cruising. I didn't feel that it obstructed any views of what we were seeing with the glaciers when we were out, or any wildlife that we might have seen while we were out. We enjoyed it quite a bit. We had the first 3 rooms here, 7510, 7512, and 7514. 7510 and 7512, you could remove that center divider there to connect the 2 balconies. And this was our walkthrough. And thanks for watching.